Let me explain you the overall working of our project. And our project consists of two users, mainly a person who can apply for a job and a person who offers a job. And when we click on login, if you are a new user, you have to redirect to sign up. Sign up. When you go for sign up page, it will ask you some details which are mandatory, and after filling the details, you will be redirected to sign in page, and after giving your credentials, you will be logging into the portal, and here it will ask you to upload your PDF file. And here, let me tell you about these key skills. It is something that we implemented to match the skill set with the available skills in the job, where the semantic search is performed between the skills which the user provided over here and the skills that possess in the job, and that resume summary keyword intents. The main details regarding that which you want to say or you think that you fit for the job will describe by searching about the words. And after submitting your resume, and let us suppose you are giving Java as your and giving some experience or something in the field box. And after clicking on submit resume, and you can see a message that resume uploaded successfully. And then when you click on view recommendations, these are some top recommendations that are recommended for you. Here the first two recommendations are something that perfectly apps for your resume and your skill set, and remaining are the things that were referenced for your job. And it also contains the details that which you should learn or you should be preferable that for applying some kind of jobs. And let us click on the first job. And this is the job description. And here for yet now we haven't integrated the things of applying for a job. Here we are using this as just a reference platform where the users can log into the portal and they can find for the jobs that which apt for them. And we will provide the just reference for the users so that the users can directly contact with the companies and get them hired directly. And let us now swap for the user and let us go for post jobs. It is a pre-user that I created, and when you click on login, you will be logged in successfully, and then it asks the job poster that to give the job title, job description, and required skill set, experience, and location. These are the main parameters that we use to match the skill set of both the job and user, so that the job can be recommended to the user. User registered into the portal. After giving all his credentials along with his resume, it will be stored into the database. So when a user updates his resume or updates his skill set, when he again want to upload the new resume, it will be overwritten in the database. So we have improved that. These are some things that which we are actually lacking or we are losing from the portal. We will definitely implement this in the feature scope, that auto authentication which uses JWT channel filter